Fort Cobb State Park in southwest Oklahoma has lots of reasons to visit, but there's a new one that will help you stay and play a little longer.
We have 5 beautiful cabins here at Fort Cobb that we just acquired. They're nice rustic cabins located in this pine grove. We've got 2 floor plans. We've got 2 cabins that sleep up to 4 and then 3 more cabins that sleep up to 6 guests.
Because the cabins are tucked away among the trees, they provide a beautiful, secluded spot to get away from all of the distractions.
It's a nice, peaceful area. They're not lakefront, but they're nicely set in these pine trees for a nice, quiet getaway from any hustle and bustle from the metro area.
You can choose from a cabin that sleeps 4 or 6 guests. The cabins that sleep 4 have a king-size bed and a sleeper sofa, and the cabins that sleep 6 have the same setup with bunk beds too.
Inside they've got a full kitchen with a stove, refrigerator, sink. We don't supply any of the dishes or pots and pans anymore. It comes fully supplied with linen and towels. It's got nice wood trim and rustic furniture inside them. We're getting fiber optic internet and TV installed currently.
While you're here, you can spend the day hitting the links or exploring the grounds.
Our beautiful 18-hole golf course is 17 par. It's a wide open front 9 and a challenging back 9. You got beautiful lake views throughout the course. And we get a lot of people from all over the state that come to play golf here.
Of course, there's nothing better than getting out on the lake on a hot Oklahoma summer day.
We've got fishing, swimming, boating, tons of water recreation activities for everybody. We have a marina with a restaurant and boat rentals. We've got another business on the west side that sells a lot of bait and grocery and concession.
And if tent camping or RVing is more your style, RV and tent sites are available too.
Close to 290 RV sites. We have lake front RV sites and some that are going to be a little bit more up in the woods and shaded as well. All of our amenities can be rented by going to travelok.com, and you can get on our online reservation site and book any of our cabins, RVs, or tent sites.
Book your stay at the new Fort Cobb State Park cabins and check out all there is to see and do at this Southwest Oklahoma gym.
These are such a great attraction for the park. It's going to create more opportunities to get more families here. It's a large park, so they've got a wide variety of activities, but it's nice and peaceful. Here in Southwest Oklahoma, we're about an hour and a half drive from Oklahoma City, but we're 20 minutes at least away from any larger sized town, so you can really get away out here and enjoy the wildlife and nature.